Alright, got some of that blue Loctite in there. Get these all started. Ooh, got Loctite all over the carpet there. Oh, it's always something. It's always something with this dawn. Oh well. This car that's had spaghetti sauce dumped all over the seats. Dog poop, dog slobber, you name it. It's been on these seats. This carpet. A little tweak in there, kind of tight. Then we'll cross thread them. I know someone's going to complain about using this here, but it is what it is. Set on low torque. Come back and torque's back on here in a minute. Alright, so there it is. It's back together. New seat belt post. This thing wants to catch for some reason. I guess it's supposed to do that. Yeah. There it pops up there. There it is. Okay. Alright. I'm going to call it good and move on. Next project.